add in, you'll be most welcome to do that. And I'll just request, I mean, till the time there is no value add or input coming, you can be on mute. But yeah, whenever you feel like, you can put yourself on mute and then, proceed with your query or a question. Because if in case I'm sharing some, a website or another PPT, you can interrupt me in that in between. And I'll request Shama to mute, please. Yeah, thank you so much, Shama. So I could see great people, and I got a brief about this batch, as to what you guys are into, what you have already covered, and what are your sort of pain points right now into your entrepreneurial journey. So I'm a bit a little brief about that. So I'll try my best to sort of give you the solution in your whole this journey which is there in next 1.5 hours, whatever we have. And I mean, time doesn't matter, so if it goes 2 hours, no worries about that, if you guys are okay. All right, so today I planned, along with Deepak, to sort of give you some takeaways on go to market strategy and how to scale it up, because I got to know that this is somewhere you guys are struggling with. And we have seen, I mean, I personally have seen this whole journey in one of my B2B database startup, which is Legit Quest. It's been like 5 years and we've been successful in the legal tech sector. Somewhere we are doing it for Grab Guidance also, and we are cracking that growth hacking part for our edtech venture also. So possibly with all those examples and experiences, I'll try my best to give you those inputs so that it really helps for your own venture. One thing I'll suggest you here strongly is, like, whatever I'm discussing, I'll keep it generic, because everyone has a unique idea and a unique business venture they are into, right? So try relating it for your own thing. And whenever you feel that, whether it's applicable, not applicable, it might happen. Certain strategies might not be applicable because I have to cover everything. Something, applicable for Anjali might not be applicable for Shama, for instance, right? So just try and relate. I mean, because I want to cover everything so that everyone gets the best advantage of this next few hours. So just have it visualization happening at your end, thinking about whether this strategy will work, how should I be executing it, not executing it, what is required, what is not required, whatever it is. And any query coming in, please shoot it. All right, so what I'll do is I have pointed out couple of discussion points for the whole session. So I'll share that so that we are on the same page, and I'll keep discussing each of them one by one. So I hope my my screen is shared. So I'll be sharing my PPT with you guys. Just give me a second. I'll do the. All right. So cool. Okay, cool. So guys, like I said, we'll be talking about how we can actually hit the market, go to the market strategies, and how to scale it up. So here, my intent was to maybe starting with scratch. I mean, you're done with the product, you have done with the conceptualization, you are done with the idea validation, you're done with your analyzing your competition, market, and everything. Now we have developed the product also. There is certain prototype as well, you have it in your hand, that's made, and now you want to get your first customer, or first 200 customer, or 100 to 1000 customer. So let's think it that way, is that we are struggling to get the customer. So there has to be a customer acquisition strategy. And why we call it as a go to market strategies for is because the venture is quite unique. Every business venture is unique and innovative, and that's how you have to go with an intent that you are testing the market, right? So because that, you might have done a lot of validation, you might have done a lot of product survey and all, but when you are actually hitting the market, things might be pretty different. Let me be very honest, what you have thought might turn out to be not working out, very honestly. So when it is not working out, you have to be like a a very proactive founder, co-founder, and make those tweakings, changes and pivoting, and get the feedback ASAP and incorporate that feedback ASAP. So that's why when you are possibly hitting for fundraising to the investors, I very well remember Lightspeed, which is one of the biggest India's VC. I met with Hemant Mahapatra. So I mean, when we submitted our pitch deck, uh, our one slide on go-to-market strategy was missing, and he bluntly gave a feedback. You guys don't know how you will be hitting the market, how you'll be entering the market, how you'll be acquiring your customers. So what I'm trying to say here is this go-to-market is very important. I mean, anyone from the investor's perspective also. And plus, I mean, if in case I'm not thinking of an investment as of now, but think that you have to earn revenue at the end of the day, because you are building a business and you have to earn the revenue. You have to start showing traction, how many customers you have got, how many revenue you have got, what is the average revenue per user, what is the monthly active users. All these metrics, they are good for you also, because you're building a business. Plus, down the line, when you think of an investment, definitely they would like to see how you are going into the market, or if you have gone into the market, what is your plan to scale up. So I'll cover both, right? So that you have a holistic complete approach as to how should I go with a new product in the market and how should I scale it up also. So here I just wanted to tell you the importance of it. It is very important, and I think I need not to tell you. I think you guys are there at the stage where you are you have already understood, maybe, for that matter, right? So let's go ahead, guys. Go to market strategies. Yes, our focus point is that how are you planning to market your offering. What I can do here is, I mean, possibly if any one guy, I mean, any one of you voluntarily wants to sort of unmute himself, herself, and share coming from the your side, any input, would love to take up just one, because we can't take it all. So I think someone raised hand also, so I'll ask them to just unmute. Rasika, I think she raised hand. Please go ahead, Rasika.
Do you want me to share what my current plans for? Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
So my products, so I'm an artist, so I have converted my spiritual artworks into daily use objects so that people can connect with spirituality in their daily life. So my products are mandala laptop stickers, bookmarks, diaries, tapestries, and stuff like that. My current plan is I would want to target people who are in the working class category, mostly women who are readers and know a bit, dabble into spirituality or trying to find out different things, learn new things. And current strategy is to mostly do it through Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, and stuff like that.
Got it. I think amazing, Rasika. I mean, you have a great offering. I mean, quite new. Plus, you have some plans to at least hit the market through social media. So Instagram, when you say Instagram, Facebook and all, so social media is somewhere. I mean, yes, one thing is there in your mind, but there are tons of it. So today,
Yes.
I'll be sharing a lot of things. So just keep noting it down. And if in case if you are unable to, I'll send across the material also to
Yes.
Deepak, so that it can be floated.
So one more approach that I am taking is to set up stalls at flea markets and stuff like that. That is the first thing to do, because that will give me a first-hand experience of how people are reacting to the products and stuff. Right. So I have so far put up stalls in 2 to 3 flea markets. And then I'll move to the digital part.
So yes, I understand your the current stage, because you also want to test out the market, like whether this channel is working out or not. So obviously Instagram, Facebook, social media, everyone starts. We have many examples. Some housewives making some venture by home cooking food and delivering it, and those kind of things. They started actually from WhatsApp and Instagram and Facebook. They start getting orders and they don't even build the website and application, honestly. And that's how it is to be started, honestly. I mean, if you are you are working on a low cost model, or you are a bootstrapped organization, I think that's the way forward. But yeah, we'll cover everything, and I'll keep my focus on those things only which are affordable, very honestly. I mean, everybody can talk about TV, radio, but this is actually not for young startups like ours, very honestly. So yeah, we'll discuss everything. But yeah, so I'm again going back and sharing my screen. Okay, so let me just do a full screen. So yeah, couple of things I got to know from you, which are also definitely there in this slide. So, but I want to begin with one thing that, when you think of, marketing, obviously defining your TG. I mean, again, I am sort of repeating. You already know this, and you might have covered it, but this becomes the, spending 2 minutes here becomes very important for me, because see, I'm talking from a perspective of the channel as well here, because you need to be clear whether you are catering to a B2B market, B2C market, or B2B2C market. So again, you have understood that, yes, defining your TG, which TG you are catering to, demographically, geographically, there are so many parameters on which you segment your market. But my agenda is you should be very clear to which audience you are catering to. I'll take a Grab Guidance example here, because we are doing through all these 3 channels and reaching out to our exact persona of TG, right? So by B2B, when we are into the edtech sector, definitely, B2C is basically the students, the early working professionals also forms into a B2C, because we are offering it from 8th class onwards to even early working professional, master courses, bachelor courses people. So they are the B2C clients, and in case it's a school market, definitely parents become their major paying paying clients for us, right? So that's our B2C market. But B2Bs for us is like school, colleges, university. So we are very clear to whom to target, to whom to meet. So you have to meet the chairman of a college, or VC of a university, director of a B school, right? B2C, we need to see, we need to reach out to the parents for the school going students. We need to reach out to the exact student who's going master's courses, or he's early working professional, right? And B2B2C is like, we are in a way reaching out to our user, which is again the student community, but with the help of the school, colleges, and university. So they are just the channel for us to reach to them. They are straight away not buying. So I'll talk more about that B2B2C, how we can play around and what all strategies we can have so that we really get successful here. But my agenda of spending 2 to 3 minutes on this slide is very clear. You need to be clear, because there is one problem that happens. Whether do I have my resources to actually reach out to B2B, और whether do I have a resource to reach out to B2C? Because B2C में अगर हम digital जाते हैं, right? So which I'll be covering in the next slide. Paid marketing जाते हैं, PPC पे जाते हैं, Google Ads पे जाते हैं. It's very costly. Another is अगर मैं दोनों कर रहा हूँ तो I have to see कि B2B के लिए I have a in-house sales team also. So both the costs are different. So if you feel that you have to decide, let me start with B2C, you can. Whether you are there for a B2B market, you can start later as well. So it's up to you at what stage you are, what kind of a resources do you have, and what is your strategy to hit the market. Although we wanted to test both the markets, so we started with both actually, right? Because we wanted to test. So that can also be an approach. It's like spending little resources at both the places and having a inside sales team doing a B2B sales, or a complete digital sales for acquiring a customer through digital modes, end user for B2C market. That is also possible. But my agenda is, if you are defining it, have a very clear vision. B2B ये है, B2C ये है, B2B2C में ये है. Point being कि आपके resources उस तरीके से आपको manage करने हैं. And when I say B2B, I have to drill it down. Who's my exact school am I talking about? Is it the school catering to 8 to 12 standard? Yes. Any school who's not there, who's only having 1 to 8th class, is not my TG. Any school who's in the tier 3 town is not my TG. Any school whose fees is probably less than 5,000 is not my TG. So I have to define all these parameters. I'll have to be very clear, because all my marketing spends, all my marketing effort needs to be very focused. मैं afford ही नहीं कर सकता कहीं पे भी कि मैं उस स्कूल को कर रहा हूं जिसकी फीस ही 2,000 रुपए, वो एड ऑन प्रोडक्ट लेगा ही नहीं. ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड, मेरा टीजी सही है, बट मैं अगर वो डिटेल आउट नहीं करता ऑन वेरियस पैरामीटर्स कि उसके स्कूल की फीस कितनी है, 5,000 से कम है, 2,000 है, अरे यार वो 2,000 वाले स्कूल का अफोर्डेबिलिटी फैक्टर नहीं है मेरे प्रोडक्ट के लिए, बिकॉज माय प्रोडक्ट इज एन एड ऑन प्रोडक्ट, right? So try and understand, you have to, like, it's not about B2C, you have to get into the exact persona geographically also. अगर मेरे को स्कूल टारगेट करना है तो दिल्ली एनसीआर के करूंगा, मुंबई के करूंगा, rather than maybe some village level, district level, because वहां पे अफोर्डेबिलिटी नहीं है for a add on edtech offering, right? So that you have to be very clear with, because अगर यहाँ पे ये स्टार्टिंग बेस खराब हो गया ना, तो आगे हम जो भी पढ़ने वाले हैं, सीखने वाले हैं, समझने वाले हैं, करने वाले हैं, वो पहले ही कूड़े में जा रहा है. It is actually going into the waste. तो इसलिए that's why my focus was to be very clear कि ये अगर आपके दिमाग में clear नहीं है relating to your venture, there rest of the things will go haywire and you won't be able to take it up. I mean they won't go in the right direction and you'll end up wasting your all marketing budget, because at the end आपको marketing budget कुछ तो set करना ही पड़ेगा, right? Because marketing करनी है तो it's all about spending money on marketing, right? Because that's the need, right? So now coming on to this GTM strategy. So here on this slide I have these major points. So on this slide you could see I have just collaborated only those GTM strategies which are digital. Up I'm presuming, like, today it's like 80 to 90% of the ventures that are being coming up are somewhere related to tech, right? So they are more or less digital products or services formulated in the form of digital offering, right? So even जैसे हम कहते हैं कि HR consultant होता था, right? HR consultant होता था जो अपनी consultancy services corporate को देता था. Now we have examples like Hirect.com. We have example like Top Hire. We have examples like Newton School. They are the HR tech companies who have really revolutionized the hiring scenario in our country for startups especially. So they have a product completely online, interview online, Hirect के app पे सारा कुछ हो जाता है. Person can, HR manager can select the candidates, review it, take the interview there and then, and everything happens there. So a lot of digitization has happened into a lot of space. So point being, yes, tech is the next big thing. Even if you are in the offline business, if even for that matter you are thinking of having a store, kirana store. Let me talk about the most old school business, kirana store bhi hai. They also are going digitally. Why? Because that's the need. After corona, everybody has realized that. So whether it is an offline business, online business, digital strategies you can't get rid of. You can't just ignore them. Honestly, ये तो सबको करना है. Even Reliance Digital का जो store है, showroom में होता था malls के अंदर, they have now completely e-commerce website. Chroma, everybody. I mean, these are the couple of examples that I can, just clicking on my mind. But yeah, you know that already. So digital strategies are not to leave it at all, honestly, and that's why something this gonna be there in your course also. So today you'll get a complete glimpse of as to what you will be getting into in a very detailed manner, and I'll possibly try, because the time is quite less. This is a every item is a sort of course in itself, honestly. SEO pe, there can be hours and hours, social media pe hours and hours, PPC hours and hours. So but I'll try my best to give you the glimpse of everything to the best of what I can show you, and I'll show you the real campaign managers also. Possibly it just hardly takes 2 minutes for me, but I'll try to do that so that you get a real idea as to what you will be doing in times to come to really hit the market. So like talking about digital marketing, right? So when it comes to digital marketing, it's a big domain. अब एक कुआं बन चुका है जहां पे पैसा डालते जाओ, there is no end to it. It's like that. But talking about it, there are two basic things that as a founder you need to have it in your mind: how to grow organically and how to grow inorganically. Organically matlab not spending paid budget on the digital marketing thing. Obviously you will be paying for some services that you'll be taking, because if I say SEO, search engine optimization, I think thoda bahut basic sabko pata hoga, I'm presuming. But if in case it is not, please interrupt me and let me know. I'll be happy to explain that also. But I'm presuming right now, so search engine optimization is an organic strategy, राइट? सबको पता है आज की डेट में, जो भी फाउंडर है या कोई भी अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहा है, कि अपनी वेबसाइट बना दी है या ऐप बना दी है तो एसईओ तो करना है, बट दिस टेक्स टाइम, एवरीबडी नोस दिस टेक्स टाइम, बट व्हेन इट गेट्स हिट, it gives you the best result at the low cost. you know आज की डेट में हमारे, you will not believe, on Grab guidance we have people booking from Saudi Arabia, we have people booking from Hyderabad organically. We have not paid anything, and they are booking for the transaction value of say 50,000 rupees also. So that's the power of SEO, because it's been a long, we've been doing SEO since long, and today we are taking the next phase of SEO also, right? There are many strategies to do that, on page, off page होता है, but point being SEO का जो growth है वो slow है, but that's organic, and you are just spending probably on a SEO manager, या कोई agency hire करते हो तो वो SEO का जो बंदा होता है, there is a content guy attached to it. He creates content, submits it to the Google starts ranking your website or an app on the first page. That is how the process is, but it takes a lot of time to get onto the first page for the keywords that you are targeting. So yes, but when it is there, somebody writing, I'll show you also. Somebody say, I'll just show you. So this is our website, by the way. So somebody writing online classes for 10th class, so you could see these are the ads. So इस पे हम बात करेंगे, this is SCM, right? These are the ads. But पहला जो रैंक हो रहा है वो बायजूस हो रहा है, everybody know बायजूस, ठीक है? उसके बाद जो रैंक हो रहा है तक्षशिला हो रहा है, and third पे Grab guidance हो रहा है. So it means I am coming even above an academy and below Byju's. So for 10th class, this keyword, somebody typing, I'm not paying anything. I mean, Google is simply, ranking me on the third rank of the first page. That's great. That's how, people are. Hello? Can everyone be on mute unless there is a question? Yeah, cool. So thank you. So that's how the power of SEO is. Now anyone making a purchase from here, from this website, looking around what are the benefits we have, what are the value we are creating for the student, and somebody really looking for a 10th class experts, they'll just click, and that's how action will happen. So just an example here, key SEO can really give you a amazing output, and that's how SEO is like low cost, but it takes time. It takes couple of service cost to lagegi, you can't get rid of it. But yes, when you see that ad that I showed you, I mean, I'll just go back. When you see this ad, and Udemy, Vedantu, Ahaguru, they are paying good amount, and the good amount is Google AdWord is very costly. They are paying really a good amount to get into the first, second, and third and fourth space. But yeah, they are big shots. I mean, Udemy has great funding. Vedantu is one of the biggest big shark in the edtech sector. So you can understand. So they are paying on the Google AdWords, and they are coming up here. So this is SEM, search engine marketing. So they are the paid ads, but organically is the next level power. So that's why you have to decide. I mean, when I say you have to go digitally, you should have a 360-degree strategy, honestly. By 360, I mean, you should not be all spending on SEO. You should not be all spending on, PPC. So this is what I was talking about. This is SCM. जो मैंने आपको ad दिखाया, PPC, Google search lead generation ad. So lead generation is basically somebody clicking, and then, somebody asking to submit a lead. So like, I think probably, let's see what they are asking for. CBSC, it can be linked. See. So add to cart. They're straight away asking them to convert by paying buy now, add to cart, and simply, right? So it's like, it can be a lead generation also. What we have done is, when we run the Google ads, there is a lead generation campaign. So I'll show you when we ran a campaign for say career guidance package. So we have those packages. So we take up the lead. So this is a landing page when we run this ad on through SCM, and we just take the major details, so that we give them the call, and we try to convert. We are not asking them to pay because we are new. So you have to understand what is your CTA, call to action. For me, the CTA is, let me give him more, let him just submit his details and ask me to call back. That's my CTA, call to action. आप मुझे pay मत करो, let me, because I'm a new in the market. I'm not Bejus, right? So I'm new in the market. I have to tell them first of all कि क्या है ये, what exactly, what all offerings. So I have to do a bit of my, mehnat, some extra effort I need to put in to actually have a conversion. But Vedantu or Udemy kind of a, companies, they can straight away ask them to add to the cart also. So you have to understand your business stage, your venture stage, and then accordingly you have to run those ads, strategizing wisely कि मेरे को उनसे करवाना क्या है, call back ही करवाना तो that's fine, right? So that happens depending upon your objective, honestly. And उसके साथ अगर आप देखोगे वीडियो मार्केटिंग, वीडियो इज द मोस्ट एंगेजिंग thing right now. So definitely text से better images हैं, images से better video है. So video marketing is a new word. Keep creating a lot of video content. And by video content, it's not just की promotional content. ऐसा नहीं है कि buy now की video लगा दी. It has to be somewhere a content giving value to the users, right? I'll talk about this video marketing also more on the next slide when I talk about free data. So a lot of things. But yeah, YT SEO is YouTube SEO. So even there is a, YouTube is so big now, people have started investing on YouTube and doing an SEO so that their video comes on the first rank. Think that way. So YouTube has grown that big again. YouTube is a part of Google only, right? And, this is the first step, because I'm not going back to building a website or a product. That's a product development. But now when a website and app is there, SEO is the first thing that you'll have to think of. Then you have to, आपने marketing funnel पढ़ा होगा, कभी नहीं भी पढ़ा तो, but I'll tell you, whenever you are marketing it to someone, selling it to someone, you start with making him aware about your offering, because we are startup. Nobody knows about us. Have this thing very clear. Even कोई बड़ा brand भी होता है, उसकी भी कोई नई offering आती है, तो they start with awareness only, because that's a new product line for them, right? But we are the company bhi nahi hu, and we are the product bhi new completely. So awareness is very important, because what we have realized, even if you start putting ad campaigns wherein you push it ki mere ko kharid lo, buy me, add to cart, add to cart, you will fail. Don't do that. That's a very, I'll tell you from my experience, never do that from the very first day, that buy me, add to cart, or straight away asking customer to pay, because you are not a credible brand as of now. You are you have a different product. You have to make them understand what you are coming up with, what kind of a value you are adding. So a lot of awareness needs to be done. और वो marketing funnel होती है, तो awareness करना ना बड़ा जरूरी है. Making them interested is very जरूरी. Then making them think about your product. Buying to think about your product is very important. So awareness के बाद आता है interest create करना. Interest के बाद consideration. You should be considering your product for buying purposes, and then a purchase happens. And after purchase, if you are really giving a good value, then he'll be a loyal customer and he'll be an advocate thereafter. By advocate, I mean he'll be talking about your product to 10 new people, right? So that's the marketing funnel. So you have to always start with awareness. So abhi SEO ho raha hai, website bani hai, SEO karo, aware karo. That's a logical way to go. सोशल मीडिया के पेजेस बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं. डेफिनेटली दैट्स द फर्स्ट गे. आई थिंक just now you also talked about starting with the Instagram and all those things. So definitely social media is the first thing, which is very easy for everyone to do. Everyone knows how to make the pages. We also have all the pages, and start making pages and start sharing those posts. We are coming up with this and that. Or hota kya, very very honestly, the real life thing is, you hardly get sale from social media. It's very difficult unless you push it very hard through WhatsApp, also follow up and all. Otherwise social media se sale aana is like very difficult. And you don't even think of generating revenue from social media. We never think of, very honestly, because it's more of engaging your user base and a customer base, right? So we have people, in the starting you'll have your network people only liking your page. अपने पहले 100 बंदों को बोलोगे ना, यार मेरा नया पेज है, like कर दे, follow कर दे. And that's how it starts. Down the line, when you have that kind of a awareness in the market, then you get a organically a lot of people liking your page. In the beginning, for even first year, it will never happen. It's very difficult unless you're just mad about being social media, doing social media. But yeah, So social media is majorly for creating that awareness. आप post डालो, launching your product. आप ये डालो कि we have coming up with this 5 product portfolio, product offerings, all those things. And आपने देखा होगा जैसे ओयो का example है. ओयो में there is lot of problems the users had faced, and they started posting on Twitter, on the comments of other social media pages, LinkedIn pay, and it became a lot of customer service platform for Oyo. So a lot of customer service professionals, they started replying ki our customer service representative will get back to you. So that's how social media has happened, a customer service platform, customer engagement platform, and for a new venture like us, an awareness platform where you start doing something about your brand, creating some awareness about your brand, right? And then comes doing some paid marketing. So now point number 3 and 4 is totally about inorganic way. When I started with inorganic, it means spending some money on these channels, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever, right? Whatever is your platform, spending that money on these platform to get some traction. Now the traction can be for many reasons, so I've just mentioned couple of them. Otherwise agar aap ads pe jaoge, there are so many types of ads, but I have described couple of them. So display ads hote hain, aapka banner aa jata hai दूसरी websites pe, right? People just click and they act as a traffic ad also, and people land to your website or a particular page and they get aware about it. So they are like more of a branding exercise to create interest. Again, revenue generation doesn't happen much from here. Let me be very clear. Revenue सिर्फ यहाँ से आता है in the initial stages. बाद में तो SEO अगर आपका चल गया, lot of traffic starts coming in on your website, तो revenue आएगा definitely, right? Social media से भी आ सकता है, but I'm talking about the very initial stages. These platform SEO, I mean, they will not give you an immediate return, immediate revenue. So these are like, the third line that I'm reading: Google display ads. They are the ads, banner ads on various websites, Facebook, LinkedIn ads. This is social media ad. It can be Twitter for you. Twitter हमारे लिए नहीं है ज़्यादा important. LinkedIn भी नहीं है, for instance, ज़्यादा important, because LinkedIn पे हमारा student base ज़्यादा नहीं होता. So we focus on Facebook and Insta majorly, right? So accordingly, you also have to pick and choose your social media pages, right? And there are link clicks ad, traffic ads, page like ads, post ka boost karane ka ad. You get a lot of likes on your post. तो ये basically interest generation, brand creation exercise ही है. You spend some small budget here also, and it is important to allocate some budget here also, is just because क्योंकि आपकी brand credibility नहीं है, आप straight away purchase करने के लिए focus करोगे digitally, you might end up not having expected return. So start in a very logical way. इसको set कर दो, it will take time. Social media set कर दो, it will take its own time. Start doing these small budget on social media, Google, on display and link clicks, traffic बढ़ाओ, awareness बढ़ाओ, branding बढ़ाओ. Then comes doing some revenue activity digitally through SEM, which I showed you, and through Facebook or a LinkedIn or any social media lead generation ad. So we start capturing. वो भी मैंने आपको दिखाया कि हम career guidance के packages के लिए lead कैसे generate कर रहे हैं, right? And this people might land on that career guidance का page through a Google search engine also, right? If we are there, and through a Facebook lead generation ad also, right? And I think by now you must have seen those ads. Google का मैंने दिखा दिया, Facebook का sponsored आता है या promoted LinkedIn में लिखा आता है. So you know what these ads I'm talking about, right? And there you can expect some revenue. Now digitally you can really convert people for your offering through these modes: pay-per-click, PPC's pay-per-click. And another important aspect when we talk of SEO is the content marketing these days. Content marketing is very important. Why? Because at the end, SEO आता कैसे है? How Google ranks you on the first page, because they want to see a lot of credibility on the search engine. So if your website has a credibility, that has a domain authority, DA होता है, domain authority. Quora की जैसे बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत सारी अच्छी वेबसाइट्स की domain authority एक नंबर होता है, it's a complete number, 2-digit number. अगर आपकी डोमेन अथॉरिटी ज्यादा है तो गूगल आपको रैंक पहले करता है. बट फॉर अ न्यू वेबसाइट यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. गूगल डजंट ट्रस्ट यू, सो यू क्रिएट लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू एडेड कंटेंट अपनी वेबसाइट पे भी एंड आउटसाइड भी कर सकते हो. Nowadays Quora is actually a marketing tool. for a lot of people. People are asking, suppose how I can which kind of a organic beverage is good. Now any company who's into the organic beverage, they start promoting and putting the link there, and anyone reading that answer will straight away look into the products offered by that organic beverage selling company, because now it's more of a marketing tool, although it's still a Q&A kind of a platform. But honestly, it has turned out to be a marketing platform for a lot of companies, almost all the companies doing that, because you get a good backlink from there, right? तो Google आपको ट्रस्ट इसलिए करना शुरू कर देता है जब आपका बहुत सारा कंटेंट है on the search engine Google के ऊपर, right? So they start trusting you, it starts giving you a better ranking, and that's how. So there's a complete a huge thing behind SEO. But honestly, if you are a founder, try and understand you can't do everything also. Try and understand, I mean, you can't be a tech guy, you can't be a digital marketer, you can't be a sales guy. I mean, you can be only 1 or 2 or 3 maximum, right? But a company runs through various 10-15 expertise, for instance, right? आपको ये भी करना है, कंटेंट भी क्रिएट करना है, आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करनी है, सेल्स भी करनी है, आपको एचआर भी करना है, फाइनेंस भी देखना है. You can't do everything. So possibly if you are not a digital expert, you have an option of having an in-house team जहाँ पे आप PPC मैनेजर रखोगे, SEO मैनेजर रखोगे, कंटेंट के बंदे रखोगे, डिजाइनर्स रखोगे, and you'll have your in-house team, or you'll allocate certain budget for an agency, a digital marketing agency. That's how everyone will start off. Or just a one tip here, I mean, hiring 4-5 guys will cost a lot. So in the beginning, to optimize cost for any startup, you start thinking of giving it to certain agency and outsourcing it. So that's not a bad idea at all. That's not a bad idea at all, honestly. Down the line, have a vision to have an in-house team, always. But in the beginning, if you can't afford so much of HR cost, इतने सारे बंदे hire करना is a real challenge. So definitely think of outsourcing it, but that comes with the problem that you have to be very good in evaluating them, because you might end up having agencies asking you to pay 20,000 to 2 lakh. Now how will you understand कि ये अगर मैं उसको 50,000 दे रहा हूं तो कितना अच्छा आउटपुट देगा? डेफिनेटली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू प्राइसिंग कि 20,000 वाले और 2 लाख में कुछ तो फर्क होगा इन द क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क दे गोना डू, राइट? ये हमें समझ में आ जाता है, बट इट्स स्टिल, if you have 5 options from say 30,000 to 40,000, how you gonna decide is a real challenge. Have certain experts with you, थोड़े से जान पहचान के लोग जो फील्ड के हों, नेटवर्क में हों, they will help you in or you yourself can do it, because आप फाउंडर हो, you should be very aware कि आपको करना क्या है. And honestly, I'll tell you, I'm not a digital expert, but I know each and everything, and I can run each and every campaign through myself. I have access to all the things. You'll see, मैं digital का नहीं हूँ, but you could see I have, this is the Google AdWords which is open, right? All the campaigns, we have been running all the campaigns. ये अभी एक कोर्स का चल रहा है, ट्रेडिंग कोर्स का. I can really see everything here. I'll not get into the nitty-gritties. कितने impression हुए हैं अभी तक इस ad पे? 2 दिनों का है ये सिर्फ, I think. I'll just show you. Yeah, it's 24 to 27 November only, right? इतने impressions हुए हैं, इतने clicks हुए हैं. We have spent 12,000 in 2 days on this single course. Conversion ये हुआ है, cost per conversion. So कैसे ये ad run करने हैं, all those things I can't get into that in such a small time. But having said that, yes, I also can't do everything, because this is a Google ad. Google ad में आपको सब कुछ पता चल जाता है. You yourself, I mean, they have made such great products. Google and Facebook are the biggest tech companies in the whole world. I mean, they're their Facebook manager, Google AdWords, they are so good that you yourself can be, but yeah, सीखना is different, but having a skill set to run it is also very different. So I'm not that skilled. So I have my, team with me who run these ads. मेरे को आता सब है, but there is a continuous monitoring that requires. ये हमारा Facebook manager हो गया, right? ये बहुत सारे एड्स मैनेजर में जाना है, यहाँ से कैंपेन क्रिएट होते हैं, यहाँ पे क्रिएट कैंपेन आएगा यहाँ पे ऊपर, राइट? सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, these are the ads, but yeah, we can't get into this impression, reach, basic terminologies. I think in the course you will get the complete idea of all these terminologies. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे हमने इवन जॉब भी फेसबुक पे बूस्ट हो जाती है, पोस्ट बूस्ट हो जाते हैं, कन्वर्जन कैंपेन्स हो जाते हैं, लीड जनरेशन कैंपेन हो जाते हैं, राइट? इवन ट्रैफिक कैंपेन होते हैं। तो ट्रैफिक मतलब सिर्फ वेबसाइट पे लाना, दैट्स इट, नो कन्वर्जन। हम लोग कन्वर्जन मींस सीधा उसको पे करने को वो ट्रैक करता है कि उसने बाय नाउ पे क्लिक किया नहीं किया। और लीड जनरेशन में सिर्फ वो फोकस कर रहा है कि उसकी नाम, नंबर, फोन नंबर ले ले, दैट्स अबाउट इट। जैसे ये आप देखते हो यहाँ पे, ये लीड जनरेशन हमारा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स का, ये आपने देखा होगा जरूर, फेसबुक पे ऐसा दिखता है, यहाँ पे स्पॉन्सर्ड लिखा आता है। सो दिस इज हाउ इट्स अ प्रीव्यू। So all these things are very detailed. You have to be has to be an expert for it. Knowing is somewhere will help you basically to evaluate your guys, your team. So if something is not happening, for instance, I'll give you an example. Today morning, what happened was, when I checked out, I saw that the cost per lead is going to 3,000. This is not acceptable for me, right? I straight away told my team to look into it. This cost per lead is going way too high than expected. Try and understand. You have to do, as a founder, you might not be running, but you have to know everything. You have to know so that you can really get the desired output from your team members also, or the agency for that matter. So try and understand. जानना बहुत जरूरी है. You might not be very skillful in that area, because अब मैं HR specialist भी नहीं हो सकता, finance का head भी नहीं हो सकता, फिर full stack developer भी नहीं बन सकता, CTO भी नहीं बन सकता. So but you need to know everything. ये आप छोड़ नहीं सकते हो, किसी पे rely नहीं कर सकते हो. You should get into it is my suggestion. You would say whatever it is. Suggestion तो मान लो कि ये करना ही चाहिए कि इस level तक आ जाए that you can really understand things. You may be taking in help of an agency or some in-house team, for that matter, right? So coming to the point, this we have very important things we have understood. Content marketing, yes, a lot of content is very important across the Google pages, so that you really support your SEO also, and give valuable content to the users, right? और जो valuable content दे दोगे तो user will have a more engagement with your website. अब blog भी तो डालते हैं ना, ये blog सबको पता है. आप अपनी website पे blog क्यों डालते हो? Just because people come and read that article, or he engages with your website, and he might become a paying customer down the line. That's the whole idea, right? Now coming to the other sources, yes, email marketing, SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing, सबको पता है या नाम से पता चल रहा है. But I'll again tell you, email marketing and SMS marketing, to my experience, has gone down in terms of response rate. By response rate I mean कि यार करते तो हैं हम, because we believe in 360 degree. मैं तो ये सब करता हूँ. Whatever you could see, we have done everything. We do everything. But point being कि email marketing और SMS marketing का response rate is bad, because SMS तो आप भी समझते हो. अब आप SMS, I don't know, मैं तो SMS देखता भी नहीं हूँ अब. हाँ, WhatsApp पे कुछ आएगा तो somewhere I'll be very serious कि हाँ यार WhatsApp है तो WhatsApp तो बड़ा everybody is attached to WhatsApp and they see every message, hopefully. But SMS, so I'm nowadays not seeing anything. So SMS has gone pretty down. Email marketing, again, the open rate, the response rate is pretty low. But email marketing in itself is also a big deal. I mean, you have to understand there are a lot of tools. MailChimp ho gaya, Sendinblue ho gaya, SendGrid ho gaya. There are very good tools that you could do. And I'll show you one more, just a glimpse to it, which is SendGrid that we use. So this is our dashboard कि अभी हमने 2000 emails भेजी थी, deliver हुई 93-24% open. So we have a good open rate. With average 10-15 से ऊपर नहीं रहता. लोग email नहीं खोलते आज की date में. Nobody opens your email. But yeah, clicking again, see, the response is bad. Only 2 people out of 2000 is too bad. So email marketing we're doing, but yeah, I mean everybody realizes कि यार email में वो दम नहीं रह गया है, honestly. So that's how it is. But I'll show you one campaign example दिखा देता हूँ. So this is a complete. अब ये भी क्या है कि it's not a rocket science, honestly. It's seriously not a rocket science, because it's pretty easy to use these tools. और अब मैं खुद बना लेता हूँ या कोई भी मेरी टीम का कोई भी बंदा बना लेता है, right? कोई भी वो बना लेता है. अब जैसे हमारी एक we keep on doing some events. So this is a event happening on 1st of December. I'll share it with you guys also, possibly. It's a free event, definitely nothing to be paid and all. And this is the email campaign with a CTA button, register for free. this email campaign went to our database and all. So yeah, we do that, but yeah, the response rate, like I said, is not that great. But that's again a low cost option for us, if you understand. So that's not a costly option. The costly thing is obviously Google ads and Facebook ads. Google is the most costliest part, but Facebook is again pretty affordable in that sense. But email is very cheap, SMS is very cheap, WhatsApp is also very cheap. So I can't show you WhatsApp also because that's we had a plugin, वो भी मेरा चल नहीं रहा है. So we do WhatsApp marketing as well. But yeah, that's again a gray area, very difficult to do it, this thing. Yeah. So yes, this is what, if you're going digitally, think of everything, I would suggest. Think of everything. It's not that मैं ये एक कर लूं और दूसरा ना करूं. Have a split between your budget. Have a SEO also, something going here. अगर आपका पहले 2 महीने का रेवेन्यू नहीं है तो इसको छोड़ दो. Doing this PPC, just leave it. Start building some awareness, consideration, interest, and then think of purchase. So you have to have a very well-designed strategy. So go to market मैंने इसलिए chronologically ऐसे लिया कि think in this fashion only. अगर आप digitally सोच रहे हो, right? Digital तो करना ही करना है. Like I said, offline हो, online हो, you're offering. Most of it are online only, but yes, digitally capturing a customer is very important today in today's world, right? So let me go further. Now, again, lot of things. So lot of things needs to be done. It's not about you having. I'm sure that जब मैंने पूछा भी था तो 2-3 आइडियाज आए थे, राइट? सबके दिमाग में 2, 3, 5, 6 भी हो जाएंगे. बट आई मीन जस्ट in today's session, I'll be talking about a lot of things. So just figure it out. It can be more than that, what you've been thinking. I'm sure कि 2-3 चीजें तो आप already सोच चुके होगे. Obviously they are usual. When you talk to a friend, they will tell you कि यार ये भी कर, वो भी कर, social media पे डाल, WhatsApp कर. I'm sure. But yes, the idea is think it through 360 degree. Means do everything maybe one by one. If you could do कई चीजें, obviously resources budget के हिसाब से you have to think it through, but कई चीजें मैं यहाँ पे low cost effective ही रख रहा हूँ आपको. ये तो मैं खुद करता था. सोशल मीडिया ऑप्टिमाइजेशन में खुद ही कर लेता था. दिन में 1 घंटा बैठ के पहले तो एक बार पेज बनाना होता है. एक पोस्ट बनाने में कैनवा इज द टूल जहाँ पे आप अपने आप पोस्ट बना सकते हो. 2 मिनट लगते हैं पोस्ट बनाने में, खुद डाल देता था. और हफ्ते में 2 डालो, स्टार्ट कर दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आधी चीजें आप खुद कर सकते हो. पेड वाले की जरूरत भी नहीं, कंटेंट वाला रुक सकते हो. इफ इट इज नॉट एसईओ का एक यू कैन स्टार्ट विद द स्लो थिंग कि ऑन पेज शुरू करो, फिर धीरे धीरे हैव अ गाय हु विल क्रिएटिंग लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. ये व्हाट्सएप हम खुद कर लेते हैं, ईमेल हम खुद कर लेते हैं. नो, नथिंग नीडेड. दे आर लो कॉस्ट, वेरी लो कॉस्ट, बट इट इज जस्ट एडिंग वैल्यू टू द ब्रांड. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो so that you're creating your pathway, because at the end revenue will only come when there is a brand credibility. ये याद रखना. Right. And now coming on to couple of more things which might be done online, which might be done offline, or couple of things which are offline also. So this has mix of all. Or just start before I start on these pointers, एक और चीज है यहाँ पे मैं फोकस करना भूल गया कि it can be for anything, any kind of a business, B2B या B2C, करना सबके लिए है. सबका ऑब्जेक्टिव अलग होगा, सीटी अलग होगा. Let me give you an example. ग्रैब गाइडेंस इज कंप्लीटली B2C. उसके लिए भी मुझे वेबसाइट अपनी एसईओ करनी है, सोशल मीडिया करनी है, पीपीसी करना है, लीड जनरेशन करना है. और Legit Quest is wholly and solely B2B product, SaaS based product, software as a service for the legal fraternity. उसके लिए भी मैं लीड जनरेशन एड कैंपेन रन करता हूँ ऑन लिंक्डइन, not on Facebook, because my market is on LinkedIn. The lawyers and everybody is on the LinkedIn. So think of the product offering, choose the platform that you wanna take it, and लीड तो मुझे उसके लिए भी लेनी है, चाहे मैं उसको 50,000 रुपए की ऑफरिंग बेच रहा हूँ या 500 रुपए की बेच रहा हूँ. सो वेदर इट्स अ B2C मार्केट, अ स्मॉल ट्रांजैक्शन हैपनिंग, एवरेज रेवेन्यू पर कस्टमर, ये एप्लीकेबल दोनों केसेस में है. WhatsApp marketing, I do it for both, right? Everything I do it, whether it's a B2C, B2B, regardless of it, even regardless of whether you are into a offline or an online, करना सब है. बट हाँ, कई चीजें यहाँ पे आप PPC शायद ऑफलाइन के लिए नहीं करोगे, क्योंकि एट द एंड योर कन्वर्जन might happen at the store only. So वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि ऑफलाइन में there can be a certain restrictions, but branding, social media, हर सब कुछ कर रहे हैं आजकल, right? So that's the thing. Now on this slide, you could see again a lot of things one can do. uh, you know uh, outbound jana. So there is something called inbound and outbound. Somebody, on PPC, if somebody is clicking on your ad and filling up his details, he's actually coming to you and asking you to do a call back, or he's straight away buying, right? So that's an inbound. But as a strategy, when I say 360-degree, as a go to market strategy, reach out to your customers. Have हमने पहले पढ़ा कि you have your defined customer in front of you, right? Take out the data, collate the data, collect the data, buy the data. I really don't know. Just have the data of your prospective customer, and through calling also you can reach it out, right? Very honestly. So we do that. We do that for all the businesses, right? So through call, I mean, it's like, जब B2B होता है तो call के बाद there is one more stage, because in B2B you might be required to give a demonstration of the product, right? So I'll come to that when I'm discussing the complete B2B also. But yeah, so simple strategy, reach out to your people. You can obviously start, if it in case you are into the B2C market. B2C market बहुत huge होती है, B2B भी huge होती है, market हमेशा huge होती है if you are tapping into the right market with the right product. So calling is the first thing that you will do to filter it out. You can't just go and start meeting anyone for sales, right? So do a call, book a demo, online, offline, have a meeting with them, and then have a conversion, right? So that's very simple strategy, but yes, have it there. Data लो, WhatsApp कर लो, उस पे WhatsApp भी तो data पे करोगे ना. You need some data for WhatsApp, email, SMS marketing, email IDs चाहिए. So data is a must. Collate data, collect data. That's a one big strategy that you need to do it, right? And yes, there would be a lot of options to buy that, but again, you have to think it through, because a lot of vendors have junk data. By junk I mean there is no accuracy, galat hota hai wo, that is a waste of money and time basically. So that you again has to be considerate about and careful in that circumstances, right? Now coming to the next, marketing events. Yes, very old school strategy but very effective. ब्रांड बनाने के लिए, नाम बनाने के लिए, हैव दोज इवेंट्स, करते रहो. 100 लोग आ रहे हैं उस इवेंट में, 100 लोगों के सामने ब्रांडिंग हो रही है. yes, it is important, right? Like I just showed you that we are coming up with a, yeah, someone has any question?
आज 12 to 4 4 घंटे क्लास थी.
Hello. Yeah, if in case there is no question, you can mute. Okay, I'll mute myself, no issues. All right, so let me carry it further. So yes, like I just showed you, we do that marketing event on a monthly basis, and one that event brand that we have created is a GG online class, like I showed you just now, of which we have sent the email campaign as well. So yes, that creates a brand. We are not earning anything through that revenue. We are just sort of creating a brand, giving something free for our student community, and that is somewhere we like that also, right? Because kuch na kuch to dena chahiye types. That is also a mindset. But having said that, business objective is to create a brand among the TG. So I'll just show you one more thing that just a second. I think I just did stop sharing. I'll just show you that we create a registration form also. Like usne kaha tha na ki register for free. So somebody clicking on that register for free, you get into the registration form. Somebody has to fill in, and uski registered email ID pe hi wo link jata hai. So that's how we made a process, right? So that also somewhere ab wo event kya rakhna hai, kaise rakhna hai, that again depends upon solely depends upon your business, that market that you are catering to. Right now I could take a generic example of EdTech market, right? Or similarly legal tech maybe, which is a very niche market. We used to do those online webinars. right? Because at the end we wanted to again contribute to our lawyers and the law students community, and we used to give them some sort of learnings, practical learnings coming straight from the senior advocates, judges, and all those things. So it can be replicated anywhere. So I am parallelly giving you a B2B ka bhi or B2C ka bhi, because we have it both, right? So very important, can be done with a very low cost, because it's not I'm booking a hotel, I'm doing it free of cost. It's just the resource cost, and that again you can manage through relationship networking and possibly taking yourself also, right? Affiliate is a very good strategy. Start, अब मैं आपको अपना एग्जांपल देता हूँ. हम लोग नए थे, करना क्या था हमें, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सेल इन द वेरी बिगिनिंग. आज जरूर सेल्स हो रही है, बट 4 महीने पहले, 5 महीने पहले तो पहली सेल करना वाज अ चैलेंज, राइट? स्केल अप करना तो और दूसरा चैलेंज होगा. बट पॉइंट इज हाउ यू कुड डू इट इज बाय जॉइनिंग हैंड्स विद पीपल हु आर पॉसिबली गिविंग अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफरिंग. देखो, अब हमारा करियर गाइडेंस का पैकेज है. वी हैव द एक्सपर्ट्स काउंसलर्स हु कैन गिव 4 आवर का सेशंस, वन ऑन वन 4 सेशंस. बट वी एडेड अ साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्टिंग with one of the partner. We joined hands. So उसको मेरी market मिल गई. We are both new. We can't both together fight big players in the market, right? और उसका market access मुझे मिल गया कि जहाँ पे वो भी वो career guidance दे रहा है, वो experts मेरे ले लेता है. So एक तरीके से we both joined hands and we started making some money together. So that's what affiliate means. Affiliate marketing आपने सुना होगा. So you can very well say that you can put yourself on someone else's website also and start paying them some commission also. कि यार इधर से कहीं revenue आता है तो I'll pay you 10%. That's how it is. Affiliate marketing. So by affiliate I mean we joined hands, collaborated with a lot of people, and it becomes easy to get the get into the market. That's the thing. And another is free data. मतलब फ्री डेटा, फ्री सेशन, फ्री कुछ भी, मतलब एनीथिंग फ्री. मैंने डेटा इसलिए लिखा है बिकॉज हमारे केस में बहुत चीजें फ्री दे सकते हैं. सो डेटा इज वन थिंग. I'll show you, we specially, if I take you to Grab Guidance's की website, I'll just show you here. Okay. So if you see Knowledge Center, Knowledge Center is completely free. We have lot of articles, blogs, anyone looking for some valuable information, whether to do BBA or a BCom, whether to have a which college, right college to choose, they have those access to valuable information written by good experts. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल just for keyword. So it's not just for keyword के लिए भी help हो जाता है, right? Plus it is really a valuable information कि यार ये parameters पे focus करो. Some content which helps you rank on the Google also, and somewhere a user can be engaged also. But a blog के बाद vlog आ गया है, vlog, right? So we have put lot of whatever webinars we do, we have put in here lot of valuable information, data, using data to get business insight, on startups, on skills, on digital world, on validating startup idea. All these videos are there. Memory training, income tax ka basics, to give it for free to our anyone landing on our website wanting to have any valuable information. Jitna free de sakte. We are coming up with lot of free data also to be downloaded as a content for schools also. This abhi next after a week or so, on more one-on-one sessions, on a couple of topics. We have it like absolutely free, nothing to be charged. So in India, people like free stuff, everybody knows that. But वो free दे दो तो आपका engagement बढ़ता है, trust बढ़ता है, and it's always good to give it something for free, so that at the end think that way. Somebody consuming data on your website, one day or the other he might become your paying customer also, if he is really liking it. So you have to be very cautious in putting that data. ऐसे ही कुछ भी नहीं डाल सकते. It has to be valuable, somewhere making sense. You can't just put anything and everything, right? उसके बाद yes, referral program is a one big strategy. आप सबने देखा होगा कि एक अच्छी वेबसाइट में कैशबैक शुरू हो जाता है. you buy something, आपके coins आ जाते हैं, कुछ कैशबैक आ जाता है, रियल कैश आ जाता है, या कोई वर्चुअल मनी के फॉर्म में आ जाता है कि वो कॉइन्स आप नेक्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन में यूज कर सकते हो. वेरी वेरी गुड स्ट्रेटजी. दिस वी आर आल्सो planning to formalize. Right now you will not see on the website, but we are planning to formalize, but informally we have started doing it. So any paid client of ours, when he refers someone, we give them a 10% cashback straight away, right? So this informally we are doing, but yeah, we are planning to formalize, because formalize करने के लिए you need a whole system on the website कि जैसे ही वो transit करे, some cashback coming or a coins coming, whatever it is coming. So वो एक product level पे भी website में integrated होना is a big deal. But yeah, we are planning to do that soon. But yes, right now it's like GG Refer and Earn program that we are running, right? And another most important thing, what I'll suggest you guys is to build a community of your TG, so suppose our TG is student community, right? Very clear. So हम ऐसे campaigns run करते हैं school colleges में जहाँ पे students are engaged and they remember कि यार grab guidance आया था, ये हुआ था, this kind of a quiz event हुआ था, for instance, बड़ा small, अभी हमने quiz event करा नहीं है, but we are planning all these things कि क्या होना चाहिए, कोई session किया था, just a 1 hour session, we did it on, we did it for various universities, colleges across India, we did that. Now they always have like, in mind कुछ हुआ था, but now we are planning to build a community of that people and engage them for a longer term. So SAP is like, a student ambassador program that we thought of, very creative. It doesn't, it doesn't take much in the cost wise, but effort wise it does take, because somebody has to like, sort of engage and, sort of take time and, deal with these people. But yes, I'll show you how it is. Like, this is the program I was talking about. So, we are engaging the MBA guys, that's a complete certification program. What you get, there are certain deliverables, we'll give them the exposure of real life learning. They will be engaged with a, MBA student, first year student, working along with a, our 5-year experience operations guy, marketing guy is a real value. एक MBA को internship जरूर मिलती है 1 साल के लिए, वो अगर एक edtech के साथ काम कर रहा है, is a real value. He's really nurturing his skill set. So that's a, deliverable. What you get is a deliverable from our side. What they do, they represent us as an ambassador. They become our representative, promote in their campus. We do a lot of activities in their campus, like I was mentioning, right? They can organize a lot of things, and they do a lot of things for us, and that's how they nurture their skills also. Plus they learn from what marketing is all about. So we take it with marketing MBA people, and what you need is, these are the eligibility criteria, so they can join the program. We do that right now. We are running it with the, a small batch of 5 students, because we wanted to test this also. So this is our first batch, honestly, student ambassador program ka. We're doing it for the first time, but very creative, understand? So अगर आप अपनी TG को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो, when you know your TG well, you should start thinking about how to engage them in all possible ways. मेरा एजेंडा यहाँ था कि मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ बता दूं, so that you start thinking on those lines also, right? With these examples, you start thinking कि मेरे में हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता, like I spoke in the very beginning, start thinking on those lines, right? And on this slide you could see, again there are 2 things which again, some are easy to do for a startup, some are not so easy to do. But I'll tell you, this PR is like, public relation. So it's like, couple of press releases that you get. So कोई funded startup होता है तो उसका press release होना बड़ा आसान होता है. But having said that, we are not funded. Grab Guidance की बात कर रहा हूँ. For Legit Quest, we are into the pre-series A stage. We have raised 1.2 million USD. But yeah, for Grab Guidance, we still got the digital PR. Why? I mean, how it happened is because possibly you could have, leverage your network. Leveraging your network can really help you, get that traction, get that, leverage in the market, and you can possibly, get something, as a digital PR. So I'll show you, we came up with an article. Even we got it in the Education Times. I'll show you. Yeah, I think yeah. So Education Times of India, we got covered and featured there recently, September 21. I mean, it was the article from one of the, editor, what makes EdTech a favorite sector for investors in a post-COVID world. And, and we were featured here along with the big sharks like, Upgrad and Lead School, Doubtnut, and all those things. So yes, I mean, we did not spend anything. Let me be very clear. I will not flaunt away by saying कि हमने इस पे 1 लाख रुपए का spend किया. Nothing of that sort. We can't afford it. Any venture like us or like yours, probably, if it is not fully funded right now, it's very very difficult to get a press release, right? प्रिंट तो और मुश्किल है, प्रिंट में तो एड भी अगर देखो तो मिल्क बास्केट का एड आता है, जोमेटो का एड आता है, फुल पेज हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, बट दे आर हेवीली फंडेड. वी कैन नेवर थिंक ऑफ दोस प्रिंट एड्स एंड ऑल, राइट? बट यस, still, if you have some network, you could leverage it. PR might, you might get it. Depends, again, it depends. And again, for offline stores, somebody planning pamphlets is a very low cost offline marketing. So I'll not go much into the offline, because again, hoarding, print, radio, TV are costly things, and if you are funded, you might be able to go ahead. And आपने देखा ही होगा, बहुत सारे funded startup, they do it. Print का मैंने एग्जांपल लिया, Zomato, मिल्क बास्केट आता था, I still remember. रेडियो पे बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस के वो जो एडटेक के आते हैं एड्स, टीवी पे आते हैं. फॉर लेजेट क्वेस्ट, यू विल नॉट बिलीव, we are in TV, we are in print, we tied up with Forbes, and we paid a very good budget. We paid a lot of marketing spends, and हमारे 30 minutes के कर्टन रेजर एपिसोड आए हैं CNBC CNN में, हमारा पूरी मैगजीन फीचर हुई है फोर्ब्स की. So but yeah, that comes with a huge cost. I have mentioned it because startup does it. I just don't want to exclude it, because Legit Quest was, it's just 4.5-year-old startup, and we are doing TV print also. And for Grab Guidance, you will not believe, we're trying to do hoarding, and we're trying to come on radio also. So I'm not excluding it also. I'm adding it because it might happen, depending upon if you're funded, then definitely happens. But yeah, couple of things you could still do. So this is another level of strategy. Last point, last slide, I'll take it up, and possibly if in case you have any questions, we can take it up after this, because it's almost like, I wanted to cover like this, especially because for B2B startups, I mean, I really don't know how many are B2B, but it hardly matters, like spending another 5-10 minutes, because this is important from my perspective, because I've been handling a B2B startup, hardcore B2B, and very difficult to get into the market. I'll share an example here. We launched Legit Quest in 2017 January. We came up with a beta and launched it in September 2017, and we did pilot testing. By pilot testing means hitting the market, started selling our product from January 2018. और 3 महीने तक हमने अपने नेटवर्क के लोगों को बेचा. We started with that, and literally it was very difficult. नेटवर्क में फिर भी खरीद लिया, somewhere they do regard, but that's not a real validation. Somewhere we had to, like, again, January mein we had to, like, after 6 months of pilot testing, we had to make a complete B2B sales team, because it was a product which requires someone to really showcase also, demonstration. So अगर आपका कोई HR का product है, suppose human resource management system है, तो आप कंपनी के HR हेड को जाके दिखाओगे कि यार ये प्रोडक्ट में आप ऐसे लीव मैनेज कर सकते हो, आप ऐसे पेरोल को मैनेज कर सकते हो, आप ऐसे अटेंडेंस को मैनेज कर सकते हो. स्कूल का कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है तो स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल को जाके दिखाओगे कि दिस इज हाउ यू कैन मैनेज योर फीस. ऐसे ही हमारा एक लॉ फर्म्स के लिए और लॉयर्स के लिए था, तो हमें उनको जाके दिखाना पड़ता था कि दैट इज हाउ यू कैन कंडक्ट अ लीगल रिसर्च. थिंक दैट वे. सो सेलिंग अ B2B is a different game altogether. Digitally you might do a lot of things, but at the end you need a on ground team to have a conversion. Think that way. 500 रुपए की चीज गूगल और फेसबुक पे बिक सकती है. 50,000 की चीज इज डिफिकल्ट. स्टिल, आई मीन, बिकता वो भी है. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि आई वाज इन अपग्रेड, राइट? वी हैड अ कोर्स 5 लाख 4-5 लाख का डेटा साइंस का, राइट? सो so बिकता है. I mean, people do transact because, but now Upgrad is a unicorn. People have a great trust to that brand in the edtech sector. But yeah, having said that, think that way. 500 रुपए की चीज बिकना digitally vis-a-vis 50,000 की बिकना, there is a difference, right? 50,000 आप अपनी जेब से तब निकालोगे when you are pretty sure, I'm convinced to buy that product. और वो conviction हमारे देश में अभी भी, until I see that through my eyes and get a trust कि हाँ यार, this guy will be serving me for the next 1 year, वो customer support मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, you will not purchase. So that's a real challenge in a B2B market. मैं ये स्पेशली इस स्लाइड पे फोकस कर रहा हूँ कि इफ इन केस किसी का B2B प्रोडक्ट है या B2B मार्केट में जाना चाहता है, जैसे हम लोग भी हैं, अगर स्कूल कॉलेजेस में जाना है तो स्कूल विल नॉट बाय फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन ना. Who will come and see my ad and buy a 1 lakh rupees ka subscription from Grab Guidance? Nobody gonna do that. I have to have a team here, right? So you start with doing all those branding, जैसे मैंने कहा था, वो सब करना जरूरी है. वी आर देयर, लीड जनरेशन भी चल रहा है B2B के लिए, सब कुछ हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट दैट, बट एट द एंड लीड जनरेशन के बाद यू हैव टू हैव योर डेटा, पेड हो, ऑर्गेनिक आए, व्हाटएवर इट इज, कॉलिंग करके यू हैव टू गिव अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. वर्चुअल हुआ कोरोना के टाइम पे, बट नाउ फिजिकल भी होते हैं. पीपल से स्पेशली कि यार कम एंड मेक मी सी दैट व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, राइट? बहुत जरूरी है. सो until they see your product, B2B transaction is little difficult. So hitting the market with a B2B product is a different game altogether. You need to segregate all these strategies and be very definite as to how you'll be approaching that. अब मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं just to focus on this point. अब जब मैं व्हाट्सएप मार्केटिंग कर रहा हूं, तो अगर मेरी 500 रुपए की है तो शायद मैं उसको लैंड करके बाय नाउ पे भी कर दूं, CTA, राइट? बट अगर वो 50,000 की चीज है तो मैं उसको कॉल बैक ही कहूंगा B2B में. जैसे हमने उसमें भी डिस्कस किया था कि नया ब्रांड है वर्सेस ओल्ड ब्रांड. सिमिलरली B2C और B2B में ट्रांजैक्शन वैल्यू इज डिफरेंट, राइट? B2B, मेरा B2B 25 से 50,000 का है, मैं एकदम से उसको चाहता हूं कि लेट मी, सो माय CTA इज ऑलवेज बुक अ डेमो. थिंक दैट वेज. अब मैं हमेशा कहता हूं कि बुक अ डेमो, सी माय प्रोडक्ट, देन टेक अ कॉल. परचेज के लिए तो मैं कभी मार्केटिंग करता ही नहीं. ऑल माय मार्केटिंग एफर्ट digitally is just to get a lead or a demo, right? अगर मेरा स्कूल सॉफ्टवेयर है, जिम वालों के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर है, हॉस्पिटल्स के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर है, whatever it is, any SaaS product, right? Any B2B services, you have to talk to them. You can't just get a but digitally I get so many leads that I couldn't have thought of, right? Digitally market आपके लिए इतनी open हो जाती है that yes, even for B2B, lot of clients are there. LinkedIn पे they look at us, our advertisement, and they submit their lead and then we approach them, right? So that's a different thing. Especially B2B में, think of consultants and partners. This consultants and partners are specifically for sales. Specifically, suppose I have a guy who can be my consultant. I have an offering for a corporates, right? Enterprise product है, right? सारी कंपनियों में बिक सकता है, right? But उसको maybe finance के लिए है, fintech product है companies का, तो finance के heads को मिलना है, right? उनको बेचने के लिए. But there is a guy who can be my consultant or a partner, and he can pitch me in the 10, 20, 30 corporates. He knows a finance manager or a finance head of those, so he can be, मैं उसको कहूँगा यार सीधा just introduce me with that guy, let me pitch in, and if in case I earn, I'll give you 10% commission. Simple commission model, right? Have those consultant partner. ये बहुत देसी business है हमारे देश में, commission basis पे. Every broker does it, right? Real estate agent, everyone does it. Think of those things, because B2B product को pitch करना, you need to have a reach out to a right guy for it. अब मेरा अगर HR heads के लिए ही प्रोडक्ट है तो मुझे HR head के पास जाना है. उस कंपनी में 100 लोग काम करते हैं, 1000 लोग काम करते हैं, doesn't matter. For me, the decision maker is the person to meet is a HR head, and then possibly he can be an influencer and crack a deal with the CEO or a management of the company. Decision maker management होगा. तो या तो मेरा नेटवर्क उस तरह है कि मैं सीधा मैनेजमेंट को पहुंच जाऊं, right? So B2B is a different game altogether, right? नेटवर्क यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा काम आता है. दिस इज अ स्ट्रैटेजी. यहाँ पे आपको ये सब यूज करना पड़ेगा B2B के लिए स्ट्रांगली. नेटवर्क, राइट? You will not believe, for Grab Guidance 4-5 months back, we got the first B2B client through the network only. I knew them. I knew the director straight away, right? and obviously it's pretty easy. And if my product is good, I mean, network hone ke baad you have to prove your metal also na at the end. So if your product or a service is good, yes, you will crack a sale for sure. Network just gives you a leverage that you can make inroads easily. You can reach out to them, to the right person who has a decision making authority, right? That's the real value. So network is very important. नहीं है तो उन लोगों को जोड़ो जो जिनका network है. So that's consultant and partners. Community here is simply I'm talking about for sales purpose. यहाँ पे जो आप B2C में community देख रहे हो, ये तो बस word of mouth marketing की बात कर रहे हैं हम यार. थिंक ऑफ इट, स्टूडेंट लोग हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं, ग्रैब गाइडेंस का ये हुआ वो हुआ. यहाँ पे हम उस कम्युनिटी की बात कर रहे हैं जिनको हम एक तरीके से दे आर सॉर्ट ऑफ कंसल्टेंट पार्टनर, बट दे आर नॉट. I'll give you an example here. Suppose I have a network with a lot of teachers. They are not even directors, they are not even principals, but yes, they are somewhere related to my space. They can refer me somewhere, and they can also so I'm building that community, right? So that's the real advantage. You have to think again 360, right? सब जगह देखना है, पूरा चक्कर लगा के देखना है कहाँ से you can really get the customer. At the end, your bottom line is to get the customer, a paying customer. पूरा दिमाग लगाना है. So I think I have covered a lot of things. Just last 2-3 things left. 2 things in specific. Free session, again free. बड़ा B2B में free दो, trial दो. So अगर आपका SaaS product है तो भैया 5 दिन यूज करो, 7 दिन यूज करो. Just use it thoroughly. Make sure that you are comfortable with it, and then the sale will happen if the product is good. Trial पे भी पहुंच जाते हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. If in case it is a service, give a free session. We give a free session to a lot of universities, colleges. We do that because we know कि वहाँ पे we are reaching out to thousands of students. Yeah, I mean, for that, that's our, if we are not charging them, that's our marketing expense. Giving a session is a cost to us, right? But yeah, we might go away with that just because there are thousands students sitting, right? So that we do, but again, it's basically on I mean, we have to evaluate the value coming out from that proposition also. ऐसे नहीं है हर जगह free वो आप भी, you have to be like very sharp minded and shrewd. I would say a founder needs to be that way, because हर जगह फ्री में बांटने चले जाओगे, फ्री में देने लग जाओगे without anything, तो you will end up getting nothing. So free भी बड़े दिमाग से देना होता है, right? And yes, B2B2C is like even if you get to a B2B client, for instance, in our case, schools or colleges, but yeah, they are very supportive that through them we can reach out to their students. So we give them something as a freebie, and they put us in front of say 500,000 students. We give them some value add as a session, for instance, and we pitch the product also, and anything that we earn as a revenue, we share it with the school, with the college. So that's a strategy that we have adopted, and which I've got somewhere people listening us at least. So a lot of things you should do. I would like formally end this from my side, because I thought to put in everything, sort of everything basis the experience. Obviously all exhaustive to koi kuch keh hi nahi sakta. There can be again 4-5 new things can come up anytime, anywhere. World is getting innovative day by day. But yes, I think in the last 1.5 hours, I tried to compile it for 1.5 hours primarily. We have looked into a lot of things that might have given you a good insight as to what you can do it for your own venture as well, right? So yes, I'll open up the forum for any questions, if in case you still have. Yeah.
Hi Himanshu ji, this is Deepak Malhotra.
Yeah, hi Deepak.
Yeah. So first, any participant, किसी को कोई question पूछना हो, so we are open for the question and answer session. Anybody, if they want to ask, otherwise.
I had a question.
Yeah.
So basically, like if we want to like how do we customize the content based on different types of like channels, or how do we identify which type of content will work where? Like, is there something of that sort, or will similar content work on every channel of reaching out to the customer?
No. You have a very good question, I would say, because होता क्या है, we also thought कि ये content है तो हर जगह चल जाएगा. Never ever think that until unless it's a generic content. So I'll differentiate. I'll give an example here. Suppose I am coming with a post, just launching an offer, say 10% discount. That I can put it on all my social media. That I can put it on my website as a pop-up. That I can put it as a banner ad on Google. So yes, definitely yes, can be done, right? But suppose you are now talking about not that generic promotional campaign. Now you're talking about somewhere selling a live course for say 15,000. Now I have to be very cautious, because now my campaign is different. It's not just announcement of an 10% off. It is actually a campaign to generate a lead to sell a 15,000 rupees ka course, for instance, right? Now I can also, I mean, social media is free, so मैं post बना के वो भी भेज दूंगा, buy this course for 50,000, but it will not give me result, right? Social media will fail. Now I have to be very calculative whether to go with a Facebook paid campaign or a Google paid campaign. Now again, on Facebook I thought we did that testing also, that was A/B testing. So on Facebook also you see the people who are scrolling through. आप भी अगर आप Facebook देखते हो तो you will realize कि आप Facebook कुछ खरीदने के लिए नहीं देखते हो. So there is an interest that gets generated. और अगर आप वो देखते हो ये कोर्स है 15,000 का है, तो आप क्लिक करके लीड दे देते हो just because you might have an interest. But आप ध्यान रखो, Facebook पे आप खरीदने नहीं आए हो, right? You are not there to buy this particular course. आपने अपने फ्रेंड्स को देखा वो छुट्टी पे गया, वेकेशन पे गया, उसकी फोटो देखते देखते आपको वो ऐड आया. So the Facebook is basically a platform where we get the lead who are interested only. They don't have an intent. By intent I mean खरीदने का intent नहीं. अब think of an example जहाँ पे Rasika goes on Google and type I want to buy ABC course. Now there is a difference. Now there is a difference that the intent is also there. It's not just the interest. आप purposefully Google पे लिख रहे हो I want to buy cooler, तो Amazon के फटाक से कूलर आ जाएंगे, Reliance Digital के आ जाएंगे, Chroma के आ जाएंगे, right? Think that ways. तो इंटेंट गूगल पे है. अब दोनों में मेरे को डिफरेंस करना है कि अब यार फेसबुक पे 2-4 हजार रुपए का पैकेज बिक जा रहा है, 15,000 इज अ बिग डील, मे बी रसिका देख रहे हैं. सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि यार इंटरेस्ट के बेसिस पे somebody will get converted. So I might think of only running on Google. So depends what kind of a content you're talking about. Content which will be there, campaign which will be there, basis that you have to choose. जेनरिक है तो यस इट माइट गो. सो इट सोली डिपेंड्स. अब मैं एक और एग्जांपल लेता हूं. अगर आप बात करते हो कि ब्लॉग की कंटेंट की बात कर रहे हो, फॉर इंस्टेंस, आई डिड नॉट आस्क यू बट आई थॉट टू गिव यू एन आंसर फ्रॉम ऑल पर्सपेक्टिव. सो अगर मैं ब्लॉग की कंटेंट की बात कर रहा हूं, सो यू हैव टू बी लाइक वेरी क्लियर कि ये ब्लॉग मैं अपने वेबसाइट यूजर्स के लिए कर रहा हूं. सो वो ब्लॉग किसी भी ABC वेबसाइट पे नहीं डालूंगा, मैं अपनी वेबसाइट पे डालूंगा. Because obviously you can have it at one place only, blog, because otherwise वो copyright issue हो जाता है. मल्टीपल जगहों पे डालोगे तो गूगल आपको कहेगा ये कॉपीड कंटेंट है, हर जगह तो नहीं डालोगे, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी थॉटफुल कि ये बड़ा वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट है, इट हैज टू बी फॉर माय यूजर्स. तो आपने देखा ना, हमने ब्लॉग दिखाया था, आर्टिकल. सो दोस ब्लॉग्स आर वेरी गुड रिटन, वेरी वेल रिटन, तो हमने वो वहीं डाले. बट देयर आर सम ब्लॉग्स, आर्टिकल्स जो सिर्फ कंटेंट जनरेट किया जाता है फॉर एसईओ पर्पसेस. वो छोटा मोटा कंटेंट गाय डज इट एंड ही सबमिट्स at lot of places. So again, depends on the content, your strategy to use it for what purposes. I hope I answered it. If in case
Yes. Got it.
yeah, cool. Good, yeah. Thank you so much, Rasika. Anything else, guys? Any other further questions?
Sir, I would like to ask, sir, I just want to know, जैसे फूड इंडस्ट्री में जैसे फूड पर काम करें, तो सर फूड के लिए कैसे, क्या पब्लिसिटी किस तरह से की जाए, एंड what are the ways we can do the publicity?
Okay, so अब food is a very generic word. थोड़ा सा you have to tell me कि what exactly you are talking about. Offering क्या है? Food मतलब
Sir, Sir, it could be snacks.
So you're talking
Yeah.
about a kiosk, a outlet, or a restaurant, something like that?
Sir, it would be a cafe.
Cafe. Okay. Now you're pretty clear. So cafe है तो means offline store है,
Yeah.
right? So cafe है तो
Right.
offline store है, तो जो मैंने डिजिटल सारा बताया वो तो करना है. I'll tell you one more thing. जब भी देखो हम गूगल तो हमारी जिंदगी का एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट बन गया है. कभी भी
Right.
मैं कहीं होता हूँ तो मैं लिखता हूँ डॉक्टर्स नियर बाय,
Right.
कैफे नियर बाय, रेस्टोरेंट नियर बाय. तो अगर आप गूगल में बिजनेस में लिस्टेड नहीं हो तो आपका वो कैफे नहीं दिखेगा, ठीक है? और अगर आप
Right.
गूगल पे लिस्टेड हो और आप वो सारी डिजिटल स्ट्रेटजीज कर रहे हो, ब्रांड बना रहे हो, आपका कैफे का ब्रांडिंग बनना शुरू हो जाएगा, राइट? सो डिजिटल स्ट्रेटजी जो मैंने टॉप टू बॉटम करी वो तो होगी,
Right.
बट ऑब्वियसली इसमें पीपीसी एंड ऑल विल नॉट कम बिकॉज वहां पे आप डिजिटली यू डोंट वांट टू कन्वर्ट, राइट? बट आपके ऑफर्स हैं, 20% ऑफ, कूपन्स हैं, डिजिटल कूपन्स हैं, एसएमएस कूपन्स हैं, ऑल डिजिटल थिंग्स कैन हैपन देयर.
Right.
Not the final conversion because people will come and sit in your cafe, eat it and enjoy the experience and then pay it out, right? तो वही जैसे मैंने उसमें बोला था, उसके अलावा you should be thinking about creating that brand very well across your city first. I would not say कि एकदम से pan India चले जाओ. अब now I am giving you certain inputs कि अगर मेरा दिल्ली में है तो यार मैं अब गुजरात में अभी मार्केट क्यों करूं until unless मैं एक फ्रेंचाइजी बन चुका हूं या मेरे 5 आउटलेट्स आ गए, तब तक मेरे को सेंस नहीं बनती ना. इनफैक्ट दिल्ली में भी when you are running a Facebook ad or a Google ad, you can decide पिन नंबर डालोगे 11000 something whatever it is और उसके
Yeah.
50 किलोमीटर के रेडियस पे मार्केट कर सकते हो डिजिटली. यू नो दैट? आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दिस? अगर आप फेसबुक पे ऐड चलाते हो कोई भी 20% ऑफ इन योर अंजलि कैफे, तो आप फेसबुक पे जब आप टीजी सेलेक्ट करते हो तो टीजी सेलेक्ट करने पे आप क्या करोगे, अपना पिन नंबर डालोगे कैफे का, साथ में आप ये भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो कि 50 किलोमीटर या 20 किलोमीटर या 200 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में ही ये लोगों को ऐड दिखे. तो फेसबुक पे आपको सब, हाँ,
I was not aware of that.
yes, to that extent, that's why I'm saying कि चाहे ऑफलाइन स्टोर हो तब भी digitally there is so much one can do. So a good guy will help you out in selecting a TG. तो वो सीधा आपका स्टोर का 50 किलोमीटर के रेडियस से ऊपर चुनेगा नहीं. अगर इनिशियली अगर, क्योंकि देखो जितना कम मैं टीजी को फोकस करूंगा उतना मेरा बजट पैसा बचेगा ना. यही मैं कहता हूँ मैं पूरा पैन इंडिया करूंगा, अरे बिलियन लोगों को मार्केट करने के लिए पैसा भी तो उतना चाहिए.
Right.
तो स्टार्ट विद दैट स्मॉल फेसबुक एड्स, कैंपेन्स वी आर लॉन्चिंग. उन आसपास के लोगों को दिखने लग जाएगा. अपने आसपास का डेटा कलेक्ट करवाना शुरू कर दो, मिल जाता है. फीडबैक फॉर्म बुक आउटलेट में होती है हमेशा. इट्स ऑल डेटा कलेक्शन, रिपीट कस्टमर्स कैसा है. तो ये तो बहुत मतलब फॉर अ ट्रेडिशनल स्टोर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स. ऑब्वियसली आप पैम्फलेट तो करोगे बिकॉज that's an old school, but yes, people do it and that's effective also. A newspaper में आ जाता है pamphlet.
But initially, how to collect the data and all?
Directories.
Right.
कई सोर्सेज हैं जहाँ पे आप बाय भी कर सकते हो. you Google it, you'll get the answers. Buying the data of a particular city. आप एक सिटी का डेटा भी बाय कर सकते हो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन. बट यार आपका बहुत जेनरिक है तो डेटा बाइंग इज नॉट अ, बट डेटा कलेक्शन स्ट्रेटजी जैसे मैंने आपको जीजी ऑनलाइन क्लास का बताया, मेरे लिए सिटी डजंट मैटर बिकॉज आई एम ऑनलाइन, राइट? बट मैं क्या करूँ, रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म बनाया मैंने, आप क्या करो, आपके लिए स्ट्रेटजी क्या, आपने कोई कूपन बनाया 20% ऑफ लॉन्च हुआ है, अब उसको अनलॉक करने के लिए डेटा कलेक्ट करना शुरू करो ना. लोग तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, मतलब टू गेट अ 20% ऑफ रजिस्टर एंड गेट अ कूपन ऑफ 20% ऑफ एट अंजलि कैफे.
Okay.
So think of those strategies wherein you are collecting data और वो data बहुत काम आता है. You can start reaching out to them through WhatsApp, उनको promotional offer. तो डिजिटली करना साथ साथ यूज करो, बाकी तो तुम वो ऑफलाइन तो करोगे ही करोगे. बैनर, होर्डिंग, छोटे छोटे होर्डिंग्स, पैम्फलेट्स, वो तो हर आदमी करता है, तो आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग मच ऑन दैट, बट या.
Fine. Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks. Cool.
I think anybody else who wants to ask anything? Right, I think that's fine. So Himanshu ji, thank you so much. It was a very, very informative session, and I'm sure कि participants को काफी कुछ इससे tips मिले होंगे, inputs मिले होंगे, like in terms of how they can market their product or a service, and what all things they need to keep in mind when they start marketing their product and the service.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for coming on our platform, and I think we can end the session now.
Cool. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Perfect.
Right, Rajlakshmi, you can end the session now.